In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a passkey on Notion. For those who are new to this, Notion is a fantastic tool that helps you organize your digital life. Whether you're managing projects, jotting down notes, or collaborating with others, Notion has got you covered. But as with anything digital, security is paramount, and that's where enabling a passkey comes into play. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first, open Notion on your device. This can be either through the web or the desktop app, whichever you find more convenient. If you don't have the desktop app, you can easily download it from Notion's official website. Once you're in, look towards the sidebar. Here you'll find various options that allow you to navigate through Notion's features. Find the Settings option and give it a click. Now when you're in the settings, find the tab that says My Account. Depending on what version of Notion you're using, you might also see your name right away once you click Settings. If you do, feel free to click on your name instead. It will take you to a similar page. Within the Account section, you're going to locate a part labeled Account Security. This area is where all the security magic happens. Look for an option that says Add Passkey and click on it. If you're wondering what a passkey is, it's essentially like a super secure key that you use to lock your account. It's an added layer of security that makes sure only you can access your Notion account, even if someone else gets hold of your password. Now after you've clicked Add Passkey, you'll be prompted to choose where to save this passkey. It's important to select a place that you trust and can access easily when needed. For many, this could be a password manager, which securely stores all your passwords and keys. If you're using a desktop, your computer might suggest saving it to its internal keychain. Both options work fine, so choose the one that best suits your habits and needs. As we wrap this up, remember that enabling a passkey adds an essential layer of security to your account. It's like adding a bolt to your front door. While it may take a few minutes to set up, the peace of mind it offers is worth the effort. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a passkey on Notion, enhancing the security of your digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tips on getting the most out of your digital tools. Stay secure and productive.